Hi, my name's Fred Dauber, and I'm here with Linda Martin, and we're going to give you a real live test of the incredible range that you can get with Cansec's AIR-485 product, which is the one you see right here. We've got it mounted just on a little plexiglass stand on the top of the bookcase in our demo room. The mobile unit, which is the one that we'll be bringing with us to show you the range, is here. It's got a small battery pack fastened on the bottom of it that will power it while we do the walk test. That same battery pack also is available and can be purchased from us so that you can use it when you're testing on site to see where's the best place to place it. So the important thing to note here is those three LEDs. Those are signal level LEDs. As long as you have the bottom one of the three on solid, it means you've got a rock solid serial connection back to the master unit. So we've got 6 stops we're going to make. You'll see those 6 stops on the map. So we're going to bring you along for a walk test with us. So come on along with us. So here we are outside the office. You can see this big, huge health club they're building across the street. We're in fact going to be going way behind that, and you'll see the amazing range that you still get. This is the complex that we're in. As you can see, we're down at the very north end of it, and the complex is pretty much one whole block long. So we're going to now run down to checkpoint number 1. So here we are at checkpoint number 1, just to give you an idea of where we came from. There's the complex, there's the end of it down there, and as you can see, we've got 3 solid signal strength LEDs on the unit. So we're going to now run down to checkpoint number 2. This was checkpoint number 1 on the map. We're on our way now down to checkpoint number 2. Come on along. So here we are now down at the end of the street, and just to give you an idea, just the end of the complex there, and where we came from is now out of sight, basically the other end of this block. And as you can see, I'll turn it the other way, then I can't see the lights there. You have to bring it over this way. No, we're looking right into the sun, so there's the... So, there. There we go. See, it's reality TV. What can I tell you? We've got about 2 solid lights. The top one is blinking, so we've still got a more than rock solid connection. If you look at the map, you'll see we are now at checkpoint 2. And come on along with us. We're on our way to checkpoint number 3. Okay, so we're now at checkpoint number 3. For your local people, this is the corner of Winston Churchill and Unity Drive. And to give you an idea where we came from, well, you almost can't see it back there, but we'll try and zoom in a bit. You can only barely see the end of the building there, right through there. So we're quite a ways. Really no line of sight actually back to where the transmitter really is. So we're going to zoom back out. As you can see, we've still got 2 solid green LEDs, so we got a great signal. And for reference purposes, we are now at checkpoint number 3 on the map. And that guy needs a new muffler pretty bad. So everybody wants to be in our movie. Okay, so come along with us. We're now headed to checkpoint number 4. Yes, thank you. Okay, so here we are at checkpoint number 4. For you local folks, we're at Folkway Drive and Unity Gate. Give you an idea where we came from. There's that big huge building past there. We are now at checkpoint number 4. And you can see we've still got 1.5 LEDs, 2 LEDs. It actually is a big advantage if your assistant is a basketball player and is 6'8", because it makes a difference when you raise it up. But unfortunately, I only have the short Irish assistant. So, anyways, come along with us. You can see we still got a solid link here. So we're going to now head for checkpoint number 5. Okay, so here we are at checkpoint number 5. This is Folkway Drive and Marigold Crescent. As you can see, it's a normal built-up residential area, and as you can also see, there is no line of sight at all back to where the master is. And if we have a look at here, you can see I've still got 1 solid signal, maybe 1.5, depends on how high you hold it and which way you turn it. But the important thing is the bottom one is rock solid, which means we've got a good link here, and that's at checkpoint number 5 on the map. So come along with us. We're on our way to checkpoint number 6. Okay, so here we are. This is the last checkpoint. We're at Folkway and Dancer. Just give you an idea of where we came from. Again, no line of sight at all back to the unit. And the acid test here is to see that we have 2 lights on that unit. Well, 1.5. So as you can see, we've still got a perfectly strong, great serial connection back to the office. And if you check on the map, that's checkpoint number 6. Pretty amazing, I think you'd have to admit. So with that, we'll conclude the test. However, I'd like a round of applause for Linda for being the short assistant holding up the radio. And also a round of applause for Ed Malconian, who's the engineer who designed this absolutely incredible work of art. So thanks a lot, and we'll see you again soon. Bye-bye.